Hey guys, Mr. Maniaci back here again for this Thursday video. We are actually going to use the same download that you just downloaded on Tuesday, 4.5 unit rates. We're going to use those notes and we're going to complete, if you go to the very last page, the very last 5 questions, this is going to be a homework grade. Which is the better buy for all of the following questions, 11 through 15. Answer which is the better buy. So we're going to practice those skills that Mr. Van Kirk ran through with you on Tuesday. Remember, in order to find the unit rate, we need to find the denominator to be 1 of something. We're trying to figure out how much one stapler cost, or how much one calculator, or one pen. Once we find that out, we'll figure out which one is the better buy by looking at which one of those answers has the cheaper price. So that's the reason why we always put the money on the top, because we're trying to figure out how much one stapler costs. So that money is going to go on the top and our staplers are going to go on the bottom, so we can get our staplers down to one item. Okay, so I'm going to run through the first example, number 13, with you, and then I want you guys to finish up 14, 15, 16, and 17. And then submit those back into Canvas. All right, so here we go. Number 13, we're trying to decide which is the better buy. A, 22 staplers for $330, or B, 4 staplers for $80. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a ratio or a fraction with our money on top and our staplers on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for both A and B. So we're going to have, let me get my pen here ready. So I'm going to have $330 on top over my 22 staplers. And hopefully you remember, in order to get 1 on the bottom to find out how much one stapler is going to cost, we are going to divide. So we're going to divide 330 divided by 22, and we get the answer of 15. Okay, now let's make sense of that. What does 15 mean? Well, that is what it's saying is this is costing $15 for one stapler. Okay, so the answer to number 1, letter A, number 13, letter A, the first example, $15 for one stapler. So now if we look at B, and I've got 4 staplers, cost $80, we are going to put our money on top. So I'm going to have $80 on top, and my 4 staplers on bottom. And we are going to go ahead and divide those two numbers together. 80 divided by 4, and we get 20. So again, make sense of your answer. Don't just write down what the calculator says. What this is telling us is that for letter B, it's costing $20 for one stapler. So if I'm now going to compare these two prices, letter A, I have $15 for one stapler, and letter B has $20 for one stapler. Well, which is the better buy? Well, it's the cheaper one. I would much rather pay $15 for a stapler rather than $20 for a stapler. So letter A would be your cheapest price and your better unit rate. All right, so that's kind of the process I want you to go ahead and go through for 14, 15, 16, and 17. A and B, put your money on top, and whatever the other unit is on the bottom, you're going to divide and then figure out which one is the cheaper price. Okay, go ahead and submit that when you're completed with it, and I look forward to seeing your answers. Have a great weekend. Remember, no school on Friday, so you don't even need to bother checking in on Canvas. I hope you guys have a nice, relaxing, extra long weekend. See ya.